I don't understand. इतने दिन मैं गाड़ी लेके घूमा, it never happened, and today the brake pads have fallen apart. Fuck man. मतलब today somebody planned a ride. We thought of going. शाम तक कुछ नहीं था. I didn't check the brake pads, and now it is making a hell lot of sound. There's a catch. That is the brake pads.
So basically this is my first ride ever, like in a group properly. So this is gonna be a 30 kilometers ride from Uppal to almost Srisalem highway. So for us it is going to be almost like 47 or 50 kilometers because we are going from Kondapur to Uppal, from there to that Srisalem highway road. So let's see how it goes. Actually, we are excited. I hope it turns out well because we never done a group ride. We were always a small group, like 3 to 4 people. We used to go hang out and go to a place and come back. But pretty much this is gonna be our first ride. मतलब कभी नहीं गया तो ये पहली बार हो रहा है.
Cool, Rocky, cool. Line up, setup. I guess this is the lineup, guys. We have a couple of bikes over here. अपना DJ भाई तो आ गया है, carrying that KTM 390. Crazy man. I guess this is my first group ride. मतलब पहले भी we used to go, but we used to go in single lane. So technically this is gonna be my first group ride. Let's go. Oh, cops. Baba is riding, racing and apapaccha. Just a 30 kilometers ride, so he lifted his hand, right? So that's a stop sign. So please hold up. Oh shit. Let's wait. DJ, cool, Rocky, cool. Look at this, man. Look at this. What else could I ask for in a morning ride? Right? It's good to see those many people. It's good to see those many riders, in this COVID segments going together. उसका चित्ते पेन. బాగా అబ్సెంట్ భయ్యా.
ఆన్సికల్ మేము చెప్తే నువ్వు వెనకాల పాస్ చేయాలి.
ఇస్తున్నాగా వస్తలే.
బెటర్ ఆప్షన్ రా, వేసుకుంటే వేసుకో. మీరు కూడా
నేను కూడా
I am Revant and I'm Rohit. Okay.
So I own a 390 adventure. So recently I've been doing some small rides from like I've been to Vizag 2-3 times and then I've been to Chennai. So that's pretty much about me.
So I've done couple of rides to Goa, Nellore and Visakhapatnam. So actually, technically speaking, we did in a small group, but never been in such a huge group and all. It was actually fun. So slow speeds and good pace and having all those signs and everything is, I can say, is amazing.
Technically this is my first ride, so yeah, it's awesome. That's it.
Sweet and simple. Mavadante cheptadu.
how was your overall morning experience?
Yeah, it's great. Actually, it's been a while that we came out in the morning in the first place. Basically, we are a night person. I know we shouldn't do this, but we didn't sleep at all.
Apart from that, the ride was good. We learned a lot of new things, like how to follow in lines and all, how to follow traffic signals while giving signals signs to our fellow riders, and yeah, that's it.
And how not to crash people.
And how not to crash people. Yeah, check your brakes before starting.
There is no feedback, man. You keep doing this and keep inviting us. We'll join. That's it.
Good job.
నేను లేస్తే బైక్ తీసుకుంటా నేను. This is the lineup. Arey, it's okay, bro. Just taking a footage.
You'll send it in the group, right?
Yeah. ఇక్కడ నుంచి అది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ బ్రో? అదే శంషాబాద్ కట్.
కిలోమీటర్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేదు నేను.
రఫ్గా 30 minutes 40 minutes.
సగం కొట్టుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. ఓన్లీ వచ్చేటప్పుడే నేను లీడ్ చేసా, వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్.
వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఆవిడ బాధాడుతుంది. బేసిక్గా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు సగం దూరం అక్కడి నుంచి.
స్ట్రైట్ రోడే, డిఫరెన్స్ ఏం లేదు.
అవునా?
యూ గో స్ట్రైట్.
ఓకే.
Where are you going?
వాడిల్లు ఇక్కడే కదా.
అకాత్సుకి కోనాహో క్లాన్. కోనాహో
విలేజ్. కునాఫిన్ చూస్తున్నాను. పాటలు వస్తున్నాయి. అమ్మా ఎండా.
ఎయిర్ లాక్.
మీరు గచ్చిబౌలియా? గ్రీన్ కలర్ జాకెట్ ఉంది కదా.
తెలుసు. రైట్. బాయ్. चलो crazy. Another BMW 360 Himalayan Dominar KTM 390 fancy odega. So it's done, guys. It's done finally. The breakfast ride is done. After a crazy work.